Concept: hit product. A hit product, also known as a hit item, is a strategy that involves investing a large proportion of funds in a small number of products in the hope of winning big. The reason for the emergence of hit products is that in the Internet age, the marginal cost of producing and selling products has dropped sharply, allowing the best top products to dominate the market they cover. Example: Warner Brothers President Horn invests a large proportion of his budget each year in what he considers to be hit movies. This kind of gamble is, of course, risky. If you bet right, you can make a lot of money. If you bet wrong, you lose everything. With the release of series such as Harry Potter, The Dark Knight, and super blockbusters like Inception, Warner Brothers set a record in 2011 as the only company in history to have more than $1 billion in box office revenue in the United States for 11 consecutive years. Warner Brothers achieved great success. This strategy of investing a large proportion of funds in a small number of products is known as the hit product strategy. Application: long tail theory or hit product? Suppose you are the CEO of a startup company with a patent for LED lighting that protects the eyes, and you are determined to make a good eye-protecting desk lamp. At this point, you have two choices. The first is to cover as many price points and styles of eye-protecting lamps as possible, with dozens of models hitting the market, and there will be one that suits you. The other is to make only one model and do your best to make it a hit product. Perhaps the strategy you can consider is to look for the type of desk lamp that you think you are best at in the long tail of the market that cannot be adequately covered by meeting the needs of the masses, and then dive in and do your best to make it a hit product. Extension: the long tail theory and hit products are two sides of the marginal cost coin. The Internet has dramatically reduced marginal costs, making it easier to collect long-tail demand and allowing good products to dominate the market, resulting in the phenomenon of increasingly long-tail demand and increasingly hit products within demand. Finding a long-tail demand and turning it into a hit product is what I call a long-tail hit product, and it is the real future. For example, although Warner Brothers dominates the movie market as a top resource due to the Internet, the long tail of small characters making big movies has emerged, such as Papi Gian Unexpected and Kwa Emo Talks About Movies, allowing many people to enjoy entertainment without even going to the cinema. Summary: how can we use hit products to dominate the market? First, find a small enough long tail. For example, for desk lamps, are they for children or the elderly? Are they for the study or the bedside? Are they powered by electricity or batteries? Don't expect to make a national hit product. Even Xiaomi, which is known for its hit products, has released countless models such as the Redmi series, Note series, Max series, C series, S series, and Youth series, covering enough long-tail demand. Second, satisfy the most common pain points in the longest tail of demand. You need to truly solve a problem and solve it the best. For example, for luggage, I have the most scientifically organized suitcase among all the ones that can be taken on a plane, with no wasted space and the ability to pack more than anyone else. Third, use the Internet to reduce marginal costs. Use e-commerce platforms, social media, word-of-mouth promotion, and all other means to collect long-tail users that you wouldn't normally reach and turn small demands into big markets.